Okay, so from here right now, like what we are trying to do, right, is to kind of install Playwright and set it up anyway. So the step that we'll go through, right, set up and creating the Playwright project, and then we do the feature steps and page object. That's what we are going to do. So first step is this anyway. So installation of PowerShell and installation of Visual Studio, installation of .NET SDK, and then we do the step A1, right? Step A1 is installation of PowerShell. So we go and just Google PowerShell 7, download PowerShell. So as you can see, 7, and open this. So, okay, done. So from here, you can see MSI package. This is the best choice for, hold on, Windows Server. Okay, this is Winget recommended to window client, right? So this is MSI. So yeah, anyway, so let's click on that. So which will use, yeah, I think that would use a PowerShell from the command prompt anyway. So I think I can even use the MSI actually. So yeah, so MSI, I'm going to use the MSI actually. So yeah, so let's click on the MSI one, right? So that would click on that is installing, right? So whichever you want, and you can start to use the command prompt or the winget one anyway. So to or for some people that are sure, so they might just get the so minutes. So copy that. So most of you got, some people might have already got it anyway. So if you already got it, you don't need to do anything, right? So which is fine. So and I've might have already, yeah, I think this is a new system anyway. So let's see. So I'm now installing that. So this is starting computing the space requirements. Okay, I just need to click on next, click on next. So ensure that you add the PowerShell to your path, otherwise you might not be able to run some of the code, right? So if you don't know what to kind of tick, just tick everything, to be honest. But the for, I would recommend the for anyway. So then we click on next, then click on install. So that would install PowerShell for you. At the point, it might ask you to put your code or your password anyway if you are running it and as an administrator, okay, or not as administrator. So that will take a while. Once that is finished, we'll then validate using PS version table. Right. Okay, let's wait for that. Okay, so that is actually telling me there's some files in use. So I want to close them. Yeah, okay. Okay, so I've got an error here. It said it's not able to close all of them. So I would say, so apparently I've got some files open which I'm going to kind of terminate. Okay, I think that is fine.
Hello, sir. Sorry, my hand has been up. I don't know.
1 minute, 1 minute. Yeah. Mm. So we can pause for a while anyway, so and see if this. Just pause the recording for now. Okay. So we just need to wait for the installation to finish. And once that has finished, then we would be able to validate that anyway. So, okay. So once the installation has finished, it's still doing something. Okay, we can record and circle. We can stop recording and circle back again anyway. Okay.